Hi friends, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to talk about shaving cream. Who doesn't want a clean shaved look? Shaving using a razor may cause skin to irritate, razor burns, nicks and cuts, even razor bumps and other infections. We must avoid this.
Get a safer shave. Did you know that many ingredients in your shaving cream have been linked to cancer and hormonal problem? Now this doesn't mean that you have to give up on your razor completely. Instead, it just means that you should choose shaving creams that have natural ingredients. Let me share a quick recipe on making shaving cream at home. 4 tablespoons of unrefined raw shea butter, 4 tablespoons of unrefined coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil or olive oil, 6 to 7 drops of essential oils of your choice. Totally optional, but they smell great and you could use the citrus or peppermint scent to help wake you up in the morning. Melt the shea butter and coconut oil at a low temperature in a double boiler. And then add the sweet almond or olive oil and stir it up. Pour it into a large bowl and let it firm up in the refrigerator. Then use a mixer to whip up into a consistency more like that of a shaving cream. Store it in an airtight container and your shaving cream is ready.